Greetings, my unbelievable V family all over the planet. This is once again the sexiest upline on the planet, your Chief Padman Senatiraja. And I'm excited. Welcome to week 14, guys. I know you just finished your rank advancement month, and this is a brand new month. But this week is super exciting because it is the final week of the Step Up promo. Alright, so whatever you're doing right now, get up from your comfort zone. Push your downlines, push yourself, be a coach bee, and make sure as many people as possible qualify for the Step Up promo bonus, guys. Don't miss this free money that QNet is giving you whenever they do a promo. Alright, just grab it, run with it, be consistent, guys. Now, before I go into my proper Wednesday message, a little bit of housekeeping. Today is a very special day. On this Wednesday, we are doing an Achievers Club event with V partner Arun George, V partner Mohanat, V partner Sachin and myself. Alright, and we are recognizing all the achievers of the ranks of QNet on this special extravaganza event tonight. So log on to social media, find out how you can log on and watch this recognition night and the secrets on how to move rank from gold to sapphire, to platinum, to diamond, and ultimately blue diamond, guys. Alright? And tomorrow, Thursday, there is a global Chi Pendant 4 event hosted from Malaysia. Go on social media, find out how you can log on and learn about one of the most amazing products launched recently at VCC by QNet, CP4. Unbelievable, guys. Now, guys, alright, over the past 7 over years, I've been sharing with you my Wednesday messages, and every time you will hear me talk about the ultimate goal of max out. Alright, and this ultimate goal of max out is why everyone signs up. And from the time they sign up, they hear this max out, max out, max out. And I realized today that the whole global network is focused on getting as many people to max out. And they may have forgotten the golden rule of network marketing. The golden rule of network marketing is to achieve the ultimate success of max out. It is an accumulation of hundreds of smaller successes. Alright, so if you think of max out as an ultimate 2-hour movie, alright, this 2-hour movie is an accumulation of short movies of your journey from zero to max out. Now, I have realized one thing. When I started my journey, alright, 22 years ago, and I got my first sign up. See, today, I look back, it's nothing. One sign up, so what? Alright, now you're a max out king. But I realized one thing. When I got my first sign up, it was the most unbelievable feeling ever. I remember calling Dato Sri Vijay and telling him, Ane, I got my first sign up, and he was equally excited. Alright, and he congratulated me and he said, Padman, now don't stop, go for the next one. I'm proud of you. Now today when I look back, that words from Dato Sri Vijay for my first sign up was so important to me. That today we all talk about max out, and I'm worried that you may have forgotten that before you reach maxed out, you had so many unbelievable success stories. Your first sign up, when you found 2 and got the early bonus, or you're promoting 7,000 BV, alright, and you found 2 and you achieved 2 steps of commission, $400 or 450, alright. I remember, alright, how people used to message me when they achieved gold rank, sapphire, platinum. Now I need you to remember one thing, that in network marketing, the most important thing is recognition. And sometimes people are so hungry for recognition, it's beyond even the commission check. And you need to make sure, if you are in a system and if you have downlines, that you do not fall into the trap of only recognizing the unbelievable achievements. That means you only recognize people when they max out, or you only recognize people when they become diamond. Because what you have to understand is, max out, diamond, blue diamond, is a seed that I have planted in your mind. Your uplines have planted in your mind. Dato Sri Vijay, Jayaprakash Bismarck have planted in your mind that ultimate goal of financial freedom is a seed. Now that seed is not going to grow by itself. That seed needs water, sunshine, all right? That seed needs oxygen. That seed needs tender loving care, recognition, positive affirmation every single day for that seed to grow into the tree of financial freedom. Now, everyone who signs up, every new sign up you get, right, and you do the presentation, the person says yes, you show them the projection, and what do you show? Max out. All right, you planted the seed. Now, don't forget to water that seed. Don't forget to provide sunshine to that seed. Don't forget the recognition required for that seed to grow into a max out tree. And what this means, guys, no matter what the person achieves, recognize them. Their first sign up, call them and say you're proud of them. Their first check, I remember when I got my first check, and my first check was 2 steps together, and back then it was $800. All right, I thought I achieved an Olympic gold medal. I thought I was the king of the world, because before this, before that moment, I've never earned money from a business. I never made 1 cent from a business. And when I saw the QNet presentation, when I heard the words of Japa on stage, Dato Sri Vijay on stage, I said, oh my God, will I be able to make money? Forget max out. Yes, I want max out. Yes, I'm going to work hard to achieve max out. But I wanted to just make money. When I made that first check, I ran back home to my Amma, God bless her soul. I almost had tears in my eye. I hugged her and I was so proud. She was proud of me. Dato Sri congratulated me. You know, it was just an unbelievable achievement. And I remember how important that was. Because when I felt appreciated, when I felt recognized, even for my first commission check, it was water and sunshine to my max out seed. And the reason why I am today a max out king is because of that moment when Dato Sri Vijay sprinkled that water and said he was proud of me and empowered me. All right? And I realized at that moment how important recognition is on that journey of that IR. Recognition is the fuel, all right, that keeps the person being consistent. Recognition is the protection, that immunity from negativity, from that decision to quit, can only be prevented when the person feels empowered, feels recognized, regardless of what they achieve. So before you focus on recognizing max out king and queens, figure out a way in your system to recognize every achievement that person makes, from the first sign up to max out. What keeps and sustains a networker is all the hundreds of successes that they achieve and that is recognized by the uplines, by the system, by the organization. All right? Think about it, guys. I see the faces of people who run up on stage when Dato announced them as V Counsel, as AVP, as V Partner. They're already millionaires, but they have tears in their eyes when they come up and hug Dato, because that moment of recognition, that emotional feeling of satisfaction, of relevance, of love and care, that all the sacrifices you did, all the pain you went through, all the challenges you had to overcome, was recognized by somebody. So today on this Wednesday message to all of you watching, if you did your first presentation, regardless of the person signing up or not, I am proud of you, because it requires you to have bravery to go out and speak to a prospect. For those of you all who got your first sign up in the past few weeks, I am proud of you, all right, because you have achieved what many networkers are dreaming of achieving. There's so many people who struggle to get their first sign up. There are so many people who struggle for months to get their first sign up. So for those of you who got your first sign up, this is your chief representing Japadas Bismarck and the great one Dato Sri Vijay, saying, I'm proud of you. I know it was not easy. And if nobody else recognizes you, let me recognize you. If you are watching this Wednesday message and you got your first commission from QNet, congratulations. I'm proud of you. That thousands of people could not achieve what you have achieved. Now take that power of this recognition I'm giving you today on this Wednesday message and keep rising and rising. And those of you whose checks have dropped and you managed to rebuild your organization, I am proud of you. Because many people, when they face a challenge, they quit, and you did not. And that deserves recognition. So whichever country you are in the world right now, and that you are facing a great challenge, but you did not quit, Dato Sri Vijay is proud of you. Japa is proud of you. I am proud of you. Just for you being consistent, being a warrior, staying strong, guys. That I know the ultimate dream is max out. Financial freedom. But everything you have achieved up to today is unbelievable, is amazing. And sometimes I rush to push you and hammer you, all right, and talk about max out, that I fail to recognize you as your upline. You guys are unbelievable, all right? And I want you to do the same, pay it forward. Recognize every achievement of your downline, because that is the water that is going to help the max out seed grow into a tree and become a reality. That's the sunshine that they need. That's the energy. That's the passion that they need to continue being consistent no matter how great the challenge is. So today on this Wednesday, after listening to my Wednesday message, go to your WhatsApp groups, all right, and recognize those who have achieved something, right? Even those who are consistently doing presentation and may not be getting positive results, doesn't matter. Recognize them. Create a 15 presentation target like Rule 3 and recognize them. Empower them. Shine on them. Give them that sunshine, that water, so that their max out seed can grow. Because if there's one thing I've realized watching Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, that he pushes people. He hammers us to become better. But after every hammering, after every time he's Coach B, he puts out his hand and helps us rise by recognizing us, by giving us that acknowledgement. And that is what has kept me going for 22 years, guys. So remember this. Max out is the ultimate success. But learn how to recognize your people. Learn how to say thank you. Learn how to say I'm proud of you. Learn how to say I love you. Learn how to say anything positive, guys. Because that recognition, those words will create max out kings and queens. That on this day, like Sati said on VCC, be a sunflower, all right? And give your energy to others. And the greatest energy you can give is recognizing people for their achievements, no matter how small. Everyone wants to be recognized. Everyone wants somebody to say great job, like what your kids want and what you should be giving your kids. Your downlines are your kids, guys. They want to hear these words, I'm proud of you. They want to hear these words, I love you. They want to hear these words that I'm here for you. Great job. unbelievable, fantastic, keep rising. Right? And this is what you need to do today. So on week 14, make it a week of recognition, appreciation, gratitude, love. And you will see your organization grow even faster. Remember, the emotion of the first check and the emotion of max out is almost the same. Therefore, give due recognition to your people. And I promise you, they will become the future max out kings and queens of your organization. So to all of you around the world, this is your chief. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, I'm proud of each one of you. Right? I'm proud for the moments you achieve your commissions, your completion of Rule 3, your presentation, achieving your TAT. I'm proud of you. You are simply unbelievable. Right? For the moments where you stayed and fought like a warrior, I'm proud of you. And on behalf of Dato Sri Vijay and Japa, thank you for your loyalty, that I love you from the bottom of my heart. I am who I am today only because of what you guys do every day on the ground. So thank you, I love you, and make week 14 a week of empowerment, recognition, right, to build step by step, to water that seed and creation of max out kings and max out queens. Love you guys.